Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be reviewing some products from Plum. But before moving on to the video, I want to mention that this is not a sponsored video from Plum. I just got these products as a part of PR on the occasion of their 7th birthday. I'll be reviewing all these products, but as always, all the reviews and opinions are my own and they are honest. With that in place, we will move on to the reviews part. Coming to the brand Plum, they are an Indian brand and all their products are vegan and they are 100% cruelty free. Means their ingredients are not sourced from animals and they are against animal testing. Now Plum is turning 7 and they are running a huge sale on their website from 1st July to 4th July. The offers include you are going to get about 40% off on the entire product range from Plum, and if you shop for more than rupees 12.99, then you will get a full size of, let me show you, Plum Body Lovin' Dry Me Cherry Gel Body Scrub. You will get this for free, and if you are shopping for more than rupees 1,999, then you will get an Avocado Nourish Up hair mask and this Plum Body Lovin' Dry Me Cherry Gel Scrub, both full size products as free. Then on each order you will get gift cards. So these are all the offers they are running on their website. Now let's move on with the reviews. The first product I am going to be reviewing is Plum Body Loving Dry Me Cherry Body Scrub. It comes in a plastic tub packaging. It has very thin gel like consistency. Coming to the ingredients of this product, they have used two mild surfactants that are derived from the coconut, cocoa midopropyl betaine and cocoa glucoside as scrubbing particles. They have not used any plastic beads or something like that. They have used walnut shell powder and cellulose beads. Both are derived from plants and both are biodegradable also. And in addition to the surfactants and scrubbing particles, they also have included some natural fruit extracts. They are cherry fruit extract and acai berry extract. Both are very good sources of antioxidants, and we have also got glycerin for that added humectant properties. So overall, this body scrub is a very good addition to your body care routine. I have used this product and I did not feel the scrub particles or aggressive. Actually, they are very mild but yet effective in scrubbing away those dead skin cells. My skin felt very soft after using this product. So it is a very good body scrub. Then we have a shower gel from the same line. It is their Dry Me Cherry shower gel. Actually, I have two shower gels with me. One is Orchid You Not and one is Dry Me Cherry. Both are good shower gels, but personally I like this Dry Me Cherry shower gel more than that one. The fragrance of it is very refreshing. I like fragrance in my body care products. These shower gels are sulfate free and soap free, so they are non-drying. And coming to the ingredients, it has three mild surfactants. They are cocoa midopropyl betaine, sodium lauryl sarcosinate and sodium cocail glycinate. Then this also has good humectants like glycerin and propanediol. Both are very good humectants. They will just hydrate your skin. Then we also have olive oil for that extra nourishment and moisturization to the skin. So I love this shower gel very much. Then we have this green tea renewed clarity night gel. Now this night gel is my least favorites from the entire bundle, because the ingredients wise, formulation wise and performance wise, it is a good product, but it is specially designed for oily acne prone skin, right? I don't find it necessary to add fragrance and colors in your formulation when it is especially designed for oily and acne prone skin. It comes with a stopper and a spatula to take the product out. The spatula is very cute. Actually, I have used these products in the past. My skin is very much used to their green tea line. Coming to the ingredients of the product, it has very good ingredients like aloe juice, argan oil, licorice root extract, glycolic acid, green tea leaf extract. Green tea leaf extract is an excellent antioxidant. So this product is loaded with excellent antioxidant, skin soothing ingredients. I really wish they come up with a fragrance free version of this product. Then we have this aloe vera gel from Plum. It is a very basic and good aloe vera gel. It has very minimum ingredients. It has 94% of aloe vera juice. It is not aloe vera extract, we have aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is very good when compared to aloe vera extract. Then we have glycerin and rose flower extract. It is not rose essential oil, it is rose flower extract. Glycerin will help to really soothe your skin. So very minimal ingredients, and I have used this product already. I bought this product 1 or 2 months ago, I clearly don't remember, but I have used this product already. I use it in mostly in my body care, and it works really well. If you are doing some DIYs with aloe, this product will work. This product will work underneath your moisturizer as a primer. You can use aloe in multiple ways. You can use this same product in all the possible multiple ways that you can use aloe vera. So very good product. Then we have Candy Melts Vegan Lip Balm. The color is so bright and vibrant in the packaging, but when you apply it on the lips, you get a very subtle color. These lip balms are very moisturizing. They have somewhat waxy texture to it. It is not something that you apply on the lips and it is gone into the lips. It is not like that. Actually, it will sit on the lips and moisturize the lips. These are the 6 products I got in my PR. If I have to pick some products from the sale, those would be the Avocado Nourish Up hair mask, because that product seems incredibly interesting. It has very good emollients like glyceryl stearate, peg 100 stearate, and it has some amazing butters and oils like shea butter, sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, argan oil. The ingredients looks great, and you get like a big jar of 250 ml product. So I really want to give that hair mask a try. I'll get that one for myself and I'll let you know my experience with that product. And you can try any shower gels because they are of very good quality and they smell amazing. I'll get the variant Hawaii Rumba or something like that. In the description I saw it has beachy fragrance. I am a beach person and I miss going to beach so much. So I'll get that product and I'll feel I'm in beach. Yeah, you can try aloe gel from that range, and the plum green tea oil free moisturizer. If you have combination to oily skin, you will enjoy that product very much. It is free of fragrance and it is free of colors or oils. It is a very lightweight moisturizer. I have complete review on that moisturizer. I leave that here. These will be my picks from the sale. The sale will be from 1st July to 4th July, so you can pick any of these products from the sale. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a like and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.